Next stop, Aulani.
Next step, Aulani.
Are you ready for Aulani? Are you ready?
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try, I think that you
there it is.
We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.
I'm so excited I could cry.
And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
Alright. Thank you.
It smells amazing.
I know I can smell it from here.
That's me.
What does it smell like?
It just smells amazing.
What kind of flowers are those?
Tuberose.
What is it?
Tuberose. Tuberose. Tuberose.
Tuberose. I like the necklace, huh?
Traded for the necklace.
I like it.
I posed myself. What do you mean?
Oh. Well, don't do that.
This is amazing. All the videos we watched, and they don't do it justice. Shall we selfie it?
Never mind to Foodland.
Thank you so very much.
Right in the middle, right here. It's
We don't need to go to that Foodland place. Come on, let's
Please.
Well, let's explore, and then we'll go check in, get our stuff settled, and then we can go to Foodland.
Alright.
No.
Yes, I'd rather do that.
It says 1482.
Where's that?
No idea.
That's why everyone's so good at it.
Room 1482.
Well, welcome to our room. So you come straight into the kitchen. So we actually have 2 balconies.
Holy cow.
And I bet that, oh, there's going to be a menu in there. I bet the living room one is even better.
That is crazy.
And then we have our bedroom with the cute little Mickey. This is the tub area of the bathroom. So it's kind of nice because we could be separate and one person could be bathing and one person could be showering.
Yeah.
And then I'm definitely going to use this while we're here.
A robe, alright.
Look, so we have a full kitchen. We have a little dining area. Come and check out this view, guys.
Splash Mountain, tiny thing.
Jennings, do you see the ocean right there?
Yeah.
That is Jennings' bed.
Oh, look at this little lamp.
I like it. Oh,
We got poke from Foodland.
Yes.
It is unbelievable.
Which one is this?
This is the California roll.
So it's got like imitation crab and it looks like tuna.
I have no idea, but it's amazing. And cucumber.
Mmm.
I know, right?
Well done, Foodland.
Yes. Highly recommend. So it took us like 10 minutes to get to Foodland from Aulani, and they have like this card that you can get there, but they just asked for my phone number. They asked if I had the card, and I said no, and so they asked for my phone number, and she put me in the system, and it saved us like $60. Like, they have all these discounts all throughout the store, so definitely worth driving over there. I think we spent like $250, but we got some wine, we got some margarita stuff, we got some beer, we got snacks. The kids each picked out some chips and some cookies. We got a pie, we got poke, we got stuff to make breakfast. So I mean, like, we got a lot of food and
Margarita stuff?
yeah. So anyway, really, really good.
Swimming next. Right, it's pool time.
I should have looked at the map to figure out where to go get the band.
It's gotta be kind of out there in the center.
And they were over there.
All right, if you guys want to get wet, we better go do it. Looking for the wristbands, looking for the wristbands. Right, that is where you get the wristbands.
And then am I understanding we do not have to bring the DVC card back down every day?
Yeah, as long as you keep this wristband on.
So you have to have the wristband to be able to get into the pool area. And as a DVC member, you get the fun little sparkly ones. So as long as you can bring it the first day, your DVC card to get this, and then you have to either have this on or bring your card every day to get the DVC band. So DVC members get several discounts around property, I guess.
All right, you want to do slide or splash pad? Okay, so there is an earlier closing time for slides, lazy river, and splash pad. Apparently it's 6 p.m., at least on Sunday. So they're gonna do slides first, and then the pools, I guess, stay open till 8. That's what we've learned so far. So we're on the wheelchair ramp above the lazy river. That is the staircase that you take to go up to the slide, and then that's where you come out. And just to get your bearing, the splash pad, which I will get the name of later, is over yonder. And then that little tent over there between the two is where you get the wristbands. And there is a cute little madre looking for her kiddos.
Jenny, how was it? There's another slide?
The lava shack. Wonder what's in the lava shack. Wanna go see?
There's one of the refillable stations.
Oh, there you go.
Sunscreen. So that's the Rainbow Reef where you can snorkel. There's the shave ice and Mama's snack stop. Should get a picture there at some point.
restrooms. Any idea where the kids are coming out at?
No clue. No idea where the kids are coming out at. But over here is where the adult-only pool is.
Where?
So this way. That's
Cool. This view is amazing.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Wow.
Over here is where Ama Ama is.
Where?
Right here.
Ah, there you go.
It's right there on the beach. Or right there.
Ooh, are we gonna eat there?
Yeah, you and I
Some great seating areas over there too. Really nice beach. So Leslie is ordering us a drink at the bar, and this is where kids are supposed to come out that don't have tubes. There's the bar, and Auntie's beach house is right next door. And of course, Stitch. Found him. Where's your bro, man? That was great. Where's your bro?
Coming up.
Coming up?
There.
It kind of got boring because I slowed down during the end.
Were you like scooting yourself on the slide?
No, it wasn't that bad. It just... You went fast.
What you doing?
Well, she asked me what I wanted, and I got all nervous because I wasn't sure what you wanted. So, but I think I've decided what you would like.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna get you a frozen blue Hawaiian.
What's that?
It's got vodka, white rum, blue curacao, pineapple juice, and lemon sour.
Not gonna lie, there are worse places to be right now. Mai Tai. Never had a Mai Tai before. Pretty good. Not my favorite, but pretty good.
I got a crushed pineapple noodle. So it's good. I'm not like in love with it. I'm not sure that I would order a million of them, but
All right, kids are playing. We are not.
yes, we are.
Kind of are.
We're doing grown-up play. I am happy to be here.
All right, that is gorgeous.
Hey, Dad.
What?
See this rock?
Yes. That's incredible.
Broke it.
Come take a picture with me.
Who?
With me.
Me?
Yes,
Why?
because it's beautiful. Look at this.
Your castle is on the brink of extinction. What are you doing? You're building right next to my sandcastle. Look, this area. Mine.
I have.
What do you think of this vacation so far?
It's pretty great, I'm not gonna lie. The fact that it's so relaxing and we kind of just get to do whatever we want.
Specifically, what's your favorite part been so far? This right here? Sand at Aulani?
I love this. And
It's
then.
the little
And we're building sandcastles.
We are kings of the world, and tonight is
Unbelievable.
Oh, of course.
We are excited to be here. We're lucky to be here. We're thankful to be here. And for a view like this, it is spectacular.
I know.